So you can see there's nothing like fenugreek, fennel here. This is pure herbs that are aimed at enhancing, growing, enlarging, making your feminine parts, your backside, your hips, your front side, making it to be big. But this powder drink specifically is for backside and your hips enlargement. So if you know that you want to enhance your backside, your hips, please just do this and be taking it. So welcome back to my channel. If you just see my face for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty, so you're welcome. Yeah. So if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So have you heard? But first of all, before I start telling you what you will hear, I want to teach you how to make butt and hips enlargement powder drink. But in case after watching this video and you cannot make yours, probably maybe you couldn't lay your hand on the ingredients and all that, we have butt and hips powder drink here. Yeah, you can see it. This is actually 450-gram size of butt and hips powder drink. This is going to last you for 2 weeks. I bet you before 2 weeks they no burn your ass well, like you're going to see big huge results. Okay, big mighty massive results. So these are all the combos. This is the syrup, okay, butt and hips enlargement syrup. This is the massaging oil. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make this one today, so in case you want to learn how to make it. So our online skincare class and body enhancement class starts on the 29th of this month, that is on Monday. So register on time so that you enjoy the benefit of early birds in the class. Also, if it is this set that you want, you can actually send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen, and please be notified that right now we are running 30% discount sales. We are on promos. We are removing 30% discount off the normal price of this set. So if you know you're interested, please just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. This product is super effective. You can follow us on our Instagram page, HBM Organic, to view testimonies of our clients that have used this product before. It is super effective, like super effective. So let's just dive straight into the video. So this is my yellow Maca powder, taken from this because this one is already branded. This is actually for sale. So this is my yellow Maca. Guys, if you don't know what Maca does for the body, apart from you taking this for fertility purpose, Maca is very good for balancing feminine hormone, even a man's hormone. For man, it works in terms of boosting their fertility, reproductive system, and also it help in doing manpower, ginger. I don't know how to put it. Then for women, it can help enlarge your hips, your backside, your front side. It will help it will help those places, those parts of your body that you want them to be sexy and curvy. It will help them to enlarge from inside. So this is very good if you know you want to enlarge your backside, your front side, your hips, you want to have figure 8 shape. Maca powder is very good. And we have 3 types of Maca powder. We have the red Maca, we have the black Maca, we have the yellow Maca. For this we are using the yellow Maca. So the yellow Maca is very good for enlargement. Then black Maca also is good for enlargement. I think the red Maca is work mainly for health-wise purpose, like you're treating infertility and all that. So I'm using my Maca powder. This Maca is original, like pure Maca. If you can taste Maca and you buy this Maca powder, you really know that this is pure Maca powder. So here is my Maca. Okay, I'm adding half tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon. I'm adding half tablespoon of my Maca powder into my plate. Can you see it? So I've added my maca. So number 2, herbs, because this is actually herb. Everything I'm adding here is herb. Everything I'm adding here is herb. So the number 2 herb I'll be adding into my butt and hips enlargement powder drink is my hops powder. You can Google hops powder. Hops powder is very good. It helps to enhance your hormones, your oestrogen. It helps to boost those oestrogen that are responsible for enlarging your feminine parts, your front side, your back side. So I'm adding hop powder into my powder drink. So here is my hop powder. So I'll be adding half tablespoon. So this is my hop powder. Okay, I'm adding my hop powder into my maca. This is whole herbs. So number 3 ingredient I'll be using, which is a fruit and also a herb, is my aguaje. Can you see? This is aguaje. My camera is not focusing, but this is actually aguaje. Yeah, so this is aguaje. So I'll be taking from my the one from my bag. I'll be adding my aguaje into this powder drink. So here I still have my aguaje, so I'll be taking aguaje from here. So here is my half tablespoon of aguaje into my powder, my plate I mean. So next I'll be using my kelp powder. Kelp is actually a herb. Okay, it's a herb that helps to enhance your feminine areas also. So this is my kelp, okay, the one I still have in my bag. So in case you want to buy any of this, you can just here is my kelp. You can just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. We have all these spices available, all these herbs and eggs. We have all these herbs available. These herbs, they are all imported. Like, we ship them into the country, and believe me, they are very, very effective. Very, very effective. So another herb I'll be using is my white yam. Okay, this is my white yam. Okay, I have them in 100 gram in case you want to buy. So this is my white yam. I'll be adding my white yam. Combination of all this herb is going to make a faster butt and hips enlargement powder drink. A faster one, like very faster one. So I've just added in my white yam. Be adding in my another herb. Okay, this one is actually sealed. You can see it's actually sealed. This is how it came. This is how I opened it from the cargo. I opened it this way. You can see the sticker is still on it, and the expiry date is on it. This one is actually going to expire May 25th 2022. So it's still very much active and effective. So this is red clover. I'm going to open it up. Can you see the way it is? Here is red clover. So I'm going to add in my red clover. So here is my red clover. Then I'll mix all this up together. Let me bring the camera closer. So here's my powder drink. So I'm going to tell you how you can actually take this. This is very, very effective, please. So you can see there's nothing like fenugreek, fennel here. This is pure herbs that are aimed at enhancing, growing, enlarging, making your feminine parts, your back side, your hips, your front side, making it to be big. But this powder drink specifically is for backside and your hips enlargement. So if you know that you want to enhance your backside, your hips, please just do this and be taking it. Yeah, right? Take 1 tablespoon, like take 1 full tablespoon like this in the morning, and also take 1 full tablespoon like this in the night. And believe me, you're going to come back and tell me that this is working for you. I'm just giving out this recipe for free, like for free, but you have to buy from me. Oh, you have to buy from me. Yes, you have to buy from me. So I'm giving you these recipes for free. If you know you're selling body enhancement, you can try this. If you know you want to you're not selling, even if you're not selling, try this. How do you take this? It's just like the normal way I've always explained. You just get a glass cup, you pour 1 tablespoon of this mixture into your glass cup, pour warm water, then you can put like 1 tablespoon of milk or 2 tablespoons of milk, but make sure the milk you're using is milk that is rich in fats, that contain a lot of fats. Do not go and use 3 Crown, or do not go and use skimmed milk. Use a milk that is a full cream milk. Okay, either liquid, you can use liquid milk, you can use powder milk, or you can also use yogurt. Yeah, you can use yogurt, but make sure that your yogurt is yogurt that is a full cream yogurt that contains full fat, that is high in fat. And also I made a weight gain drink on this channel, and if you know that maybe you're very tiny, you're so tiny, and you also want to add weight but in the right places, you know, you can equally blend your banana, add your dates powder, then you can pour this mixture into your banana, your dates powder, then you pour your milk, blend and drink together. It's going to work. Like, you're going to see results. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, if you know you really enjoy this kind of content, please just tell me HBM right on. When you just say HBM right on, I will understand. That means I'm going to be making more of this content for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait for you guys to try out this recipe. Come back and give me feedback, because I will be waiting for your feedback. I will be waiting for your good review, because definitely I know you're coming back with good reviews. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in my next video.